Welcome to the PureRef window tutorial. Press Ctrl F to maximize and Ctrl M to minimize the window. PureRef will automatically jump out of maximize mode if you try and move it around with the right mouse button. Make sure that the PureRef window always stays on top of other windows by pressing Ctrl Shift and A. You can also make sure that the PureRef window stays at the bottom of the window stack with Ctrl Shift and B. If you want to lock the position of the PureRef window, you can do so with Ctrl and W. You can also lock the canvas with Ctrl and R. By doing so, you are unable to transform the images in the PureRef window. By pressing Ctrl and Shift and R, you can resize the PureRef window to fit your current selection. In order to automatically zoom to your selection, you can press Spacebar.